everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Jo. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, I thought they get this complaint wey be say so many people go dey talk say they don't know why they circumcise them. Like wey be say if you born with a female pikin now, they'll say they want to cut their Bcoz. And they really need to stop this thing. Really, we really need to talk about this thing. At least most they talk about Jogodo sometimes, you know, because some women they really suffer this thing. Say they don't they enjoy Jogodo again. They don't they enjoy them again because of the some women are not they come because they say because they cut their Bcoz finish. So because they cut and finish, they know they feel throw away the sapler water, the way massive they drum, you know. You know, say sometimes it's good make sapler water they come out for woman body sometimes. But some women say they know they see them, they know they enjoy them. So you get one chatter where they do live video for sometimes easy basically they talk you know. What's that they call them? Chante. So she can't talk her own, say the person we do her own. Say supposing she know that person, what is she for do am? He said when he go Nigeria, he can more list the way she dey talk am. May not be like say me.
I do blue film online. If not, I will show you. But if you want to see them, inbox me later. I will stamp the picture. I will show you when you see them. Then scrape the thing finish. The last time I went to Nigeria, no, before the last time I went to Nigeria, I asked my mom, I said, Mommy, the woman always circumcised me. You still know where she did? She said, yes, why they asked? I said, I would like make her see the woman. I say, I don't want, she don't die, dating and say, you know, all let me, we were in fact, if there's reincarnation, that woman, she will never reincarnate again. She got the answer, say, why they insult you? I said, because that woman did something bad to me. She said, why? How you go just circumcise person? You cut the clitoris, you know, reach you. You cut all the whole skin where they around the clitoris, in no issue. You see scrape and scrape. What did I do the woman? And I dey imagine, because I know, say, during that time when she said they cut my clitoris, as a baby, I go, they cry. She was so heartless. She no even listen. But she even thought, say, oh my God, what did I do this speaking no good? Make I take them easy. She see they cut her. And I said, baby, I don't get hand, I don't get leg, I don't go feel fight. You see they cry. But today, they say they affect me. Now, they go punish that one. She scraped my clitoris. There's nothing left. Everything now zero. 0/100. But you know now, as a sharp girl, I look for a way where there is no way. Yes. So, and I know, say, so many women, when they go through that kind of thing, where we say, they just scrape your clitoris. Some of them, not even they come safe. You know, say some women, they don't know how to come. Yeah? Sorry, guys. Some people, they don't know how to come. And Naomi, what's up? I do. So, some girls, they, once prick don't they sweet them, most especially all those when they carry big prick. You know, say, when big prick go occupy the whole Bcoz time, go be like, say, man, no retreat, no surrender. You only wait for your mind, you feel say you don't come. Some guys go say, that guy just do me. I come up to 5 times. I come up to 6 times. I don't understand. How you think they come? Wait, be say me if I find only one come now, wahala. You will come to see consistent. Some of them are just normal local sweetness. Now they sweet too now. You understand? Pretty good. Thank you very much. Now some of them are just local coming. When you just come those kind of local coming for your mind, you come the happy. You say, I come, or I just come. For yeah, you not come. You were just only enjoying the sex. There's difference between coming and squirting. But we don't even talk about squirts. Some people never even come to go and say they want squirt. Some local boys, you can't go use mistake, they squirt for them. I don't know whether you don't go some kind, maybe you don't do some kind area where some people will talk about, sex, like some boys. When they talk about sex, they'll say that girl, go say, I fuck the girl, I fuck, he was there, well, you know what fair. All those local guys, if they talk. My dear, Ayoma fair, she squirts. Do you understand? So, if Ayoma get a fair, if she piss for bed, you go sleep for that bed. Everywhere go they smell. So, you get some kind of big prick where you carry, get where the way man will take fuck you, and you're not here get a fuel. You understand? That time when they smell, you even perceive and say, man, the piece they smell. But if not squirt, all that here, you come and wait. You will be the man. As the thing the water they throw away, you go to fill out for your belly like this. The water go see cease. Then all of a sudden the water go see come out again. That one ain't be square. So if you be guy, Melissa, not be lie. I know what I'm talking about. So if you be guy and you dey fuck woman and she can't squirt, you can't laugh and say she just a piece of body, you be mugu. You supposed to even dey happy self, so if you even fuck woman to the extent of making her squirt. You understand? So not be even that will be the bone of contention. So right now, if you be woman and you know sabi come, or you don't know whether you dey come, or you feel say you dey come but you don't know. So today you will know the difference between when you really come and when prick just only they sweet you. So there is difference between when prick they sweet you, you come, and when prick no they sweet you, you just come. You understand? Because some people they will tell you, say, like me or somebody like me before, I will talk say, I beg all those small prick will be like cigar, I don't get what I use until they do. You know, sometimes it's not just all about the size of the dick. Because the difference between small prick and big prick, you know, when big prick go inside or something like this, anyhow when the guy take, if you just
one of the list, you know, she dey teach you how to do one.
Body small like this, it will be like when snake they come out from inside, who go make like this. All the whole Bcoz, they vibrate, you go they feel everything around the Bcoz. You understand? Why small one? You know, say like all those big prick, you know, say many of them they only raise when you go make poko. But because say when you go there inside, go feel what the person go do, you know. But that small one, that's so you go they jump, they go all tally way, like he go they go the whole angles where this man is supposed to go. You understand? So now be that. So if you
not be by big one, not be by big walkie stick. Now him man say they sabi. Even small one they sabi. Because some people go just say no, now big one now they look for. Like seriously? You must not Jogodo with big walkie stick, my dear. All walkie stick now the same. Small or big go. So if I make it sabi use and when ain't they important. The one with me the one we just really draw my attention be say that one way we say for Nigeria, though I be wanna share this video. For Nigeria, though see they do all those kind see they want to see circumcise children. For me, it not really makes sense, really. You know, good. We have to really stop this thing because many they affect the way they don't grow. You know, go they enjoy Jogodo. You know, go they enjoy them lie. You know, go they enjoy them. Really. There's no way your man go touch you rich or play with you rich. You not go feel anything. You not go feel like they affect so many of us for Europe here, even for Nigeria. They affect so many women. Now he made this lady they cry. But who's the way she they talk now? The officer she not make sense. She makes sense. Any female children, more not they do one because our family make us believe that I say, if they're not doing, the woman goes spoil. Well, now lie. See this life where we dey now. Even the one where be say they're not circumcised, you see they do the same thing. Now you can't even spoil pass. Talk less of I beg you, forget that thing. The one where they not even do safe, you know, you go see keep it safe. The one where they do where they buy you go even spoil pass. What about those ones where they do all those queen for social media? They don't do them. They don't circumcise them. But today we go. I beg forget that thing, my darling people. Not be that one. So I beg this video we go really learn so many sense for each side.
He said they circumcise you and you don't know whether you they come. So after our teacher don't lecture us finish, then from today you go know whether you really they come or whether
if I don't know Shante, Mona go look for her for Facebook. She they really teach people where be say they cut but they are on finish the sweet one where they are Bcoz. They don't come out them. So Mona they go there, Mona they learn from there. So you go they teach you now how to do one way be say you go really Jogodo, you go enjoy them. So people not they enjoy them, I not loud now. So people don't know how to come. They not they enjoy them.
You know they come. And it is not a crime for you to come. Now listen, ladies, alright? Let's be serious. I know we've been joking since. It It is not a crime for you to come, and you did not commit any crime as a woman that you want to have orgasm, because some men will actually go a long way to make you lesser than yourself or feel lesser than yourself because they just want you to feel bad. Some of them will tell you, say, before you want to walk
yes, some men they read they talk that thing no good. You go say before you just touch the woman body don't just full. You touch woman before. You go say like that one where be say it tight. You touch woman. A woman will really get feelings for you. A body must wait. Me no understand. But now when they make person believe say to touch woman again say you not supposed make woman body wait. Are you kidding me? So you me say woman body not supposed even the wait. You go just tight bang bang bang. Nah lie nah. That one not go dey possible. And now that one said, let me believe say men they even they enjoy pass.
I don't even know how to say that in Benin. If her body no wet, as in water no full her, because what you want make it, there's nothing like when you go they make love with woman. She go wet to talk or they talk. If you be mad, you they watch me, you never make love with woman, make her pussy they talk. You go they hear, go they be choko. Like the thing go they it go they gum your dick. You go they see the thing go they draw. You go they you know.
My darling people, so more I share this video, the video really makes sense, but I feel really reason and somehow, but it makes sense.